everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Pod Coffee Machine Reviews. Number 5. Keurig K475. Five temperature settings allow you to enjoy. The water reservoir is removable. Turns off to conserve energy. Customizable coffee maker. Your beverages taste their best, simplifying your morning routine. Number 4. Gourmia GCM5100. Take the quality of our products seriously. Features revolutionary K-Cup. Completely eliminates the need. Use the simple arrow controls. Unleash perfectly precise brewing. 14 capsule auto eject or collect system. Number 3. Keurig K55 K Classic.
Beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew.
The Keurig K55 K-Cup single-serve coffee maker. Brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes. Large 48 ounces water reservoir. An auto-off feature is easily programmed. Any other items packed within the box. The gift boxes remain the same, i.e. K40. Number 2. Dolce Gusto Genio. The Genio is a professional-grade pressure-based system. The Genio single-serve coffee maker is exclusively Dolce Gusto patented smart capsules here. Ensure every cup is made to your liking. Explore the wide variety of decadent flavors. The coffee to deliver a high-quality cup every time. Number 1. Cuisinart SS-10.
So there you have it, the Cuisinart Premium Single-Serve Coffee Maker.
K-Cup compatible brewer makes 1 cup. 5 beverage sizes, 4 or 12 ounces. Hot water button lets you enjoy instant coffee. Kindly check user guide. Rinse feature instantly cleans the inside. Fully programmable with a full spectrum.